Oh, hey guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect homemade milkshake. First, you take a cup, then an ice cream scooper, and whatever ice cream you want for your milkshake. As long as it doesn't have any nuts or marshmallows or any kind of junk in it, any chunks of anything, it'll be good. Then you start scooping scoops of ice cream into the cup. And then you pour milk into it. And then you use a butter knife to mash up the ice cream scoops and then mix it with the milk. If there's not enough of milk or ice cream, just add some more. And keep doing that if necessary until you reach perfection. And that, boys and girls, is Aidan's guide to the perfect homemade milkshake. Chocolate. See you guys in the next one.